Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I will explain material about ethics and social responsibility in international business in courses international business. Okay, I will introduce myself. My name is Kaizaki Virgawan. My NPM is 2341183 and my class is Management 23A, and let's start this video. Okay, in the imperative of global ethics. Ethics transcend compliance. It's a strategic asset. Unethical practice erode trust. 76% of consumers boycott brands post scandals. Communication legal repercussions amplify this, with FCPA fines averaging $50 million per violation. Next is core ethical challenge. Bribery and corruption persist in procurement, facilitation, payments blur lines, but zero tolerance policies prevail. Labor ethics address sweat shops and child labor. Rana Plaza's 13 collapse in 1,134 deaths. Sport Accord on Fire and Building Safety. Environmental responsibility tackles scope 1 to 3 emission evasion contributes to into 3% of global CO2. Human rights issues include conflict minerals and tantalum from Congo, regulated by that Frank section in 15.2. Supply chain opacity hides violation in 60% of firms lack full visibility mechanism. Next is CSR frameworks and evolution. Carroll's CSR pyramid prioritize economic responsibilities first, then legal, ethical, and philanthropic. ISO 26,000 covers governance, human rights, labor, environment, fair practice, consumer issues, and community involvement. ECG investing surged to 30 trillion dollars AUM 2022, with metrics like carbon intensity and board diversity now mandatory for listing. Next is advanced implementation strategies. Ethic program blueprint. One is leadership commitment. CEO sign codes. And two is race-based training tailored for high-risk regions. Number three is monitoring system. AI-driven anomaly detection in transaction. Suppliers' codes audited via platforms like CDEX 4 million sites. And number five is stakeholder engagement annual sustainability reports. Metrics for success: reduction in ethics hotline calls, target 20% YoY, ECG ratings improvement, MSCI, and Sustainalytics. Okay, next is inspirational cases. First is Patagonia's 1% for Planet donates in $100 million plus to environmental causes. Next is Unilever's sustainable living plan cut waste 50% while growing sales 30%. Next is Contrast. Volkswagen Dieselgate in $33 billion cost, so ethics lapses price. And next is Nike sweatshop scandals. In 1990s CSR overhaul factory audits. Next is Unilever Sustainable Living Plan to 50% emissions cut. A dilemma workshop analyze real cases like Walmart Mexico bribery $282 million settlement and activity ethical dilemma role play 20 minutes bribery in emerging market. Okay guys, the last is conclusion. Ethics and social responsibility form the moral and sustainable backbone of international operation, protecting reputation while driving long-term value. Key challenges like bribery, labor exploitation, environmental degradation, and human rights violation demand robust frameworks such as FCPA, ILO standards, and UN guiding principles. CSR evolves beyond philanthropy to integrated ESG strategies with Carroll's pyramid, emphasizing economic viability alongside ethical and legal duties. Successful implementation involves risk mapping, employee training, third-party audits, and transparent reporting via CDP and GRI. Cases like Nike's Sweet Shop, Turnaround, and Unilever's sustainability leadership prove that ethical commitment yields competitive advantage. 94% of consumer favor responsible brands, ultimately embedding ethics further trust, regulatory compliance, and societal impact, transforming potential liabilities into strategic assets for global success. Okay guys, enough for this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully this material and this video useful for all of us. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.